Greetings to everyone. I myself Jayantika from branch Triple E. Today I am going to present the topic causes of air pollution. The causes of air pollution. The air pollution takes place due to the following reasons: transportation services, industries, deforestation, agricultural activities, radioactive materials, wars, accidents in industries, natural reasons. The first and the foremost reason for the causes of air pollution is transportation services. The transportation services which are used by us cause air pollution. We use cars, buses, planes, trucks, scooters, trains, autos, etc. for our transportation purposes. So, the fuels which are used in these vehicles are diesel, petrol, and kerosene, etc. During combustion of these fuels, they release a large amount of harmful gases into the atmosphere like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbons, and etc., which may cause air pollution. It is estimated that around 75% of the air pollution is caused due to the vehicles which we use. The next reason for the air pollution are industries. The products which we use in our day to day lives are prepared and produced in the industries. The materials which we use in our day to day lives are like domestic goods, vehicles, machine parts, pesticides, plastics, sports goods, medicines, drugs, and etc. are manufactured in these industries. The most common pollutants of these industries include carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, chlorine gas, hydrochloric acid, nitrogen oxide, mostly the chlorofluorocarbons, and etc. In addition to these pollutants, the smoke which is released out from the industries may contain dust particles and carbon and some metal effluents. So, the industrial pollution is another major reason for the air pollution. The next reason which causes the air pollution is deforestation. Then, what is deforestation? Deforestation is nothing but cutting of plants or trees. These green plants use carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis to liberate oxygen for humans. So, when the trees are cut, the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere may increase and it may cause global warming. This may be the another reason for the air pollution. The next reason for the air pollution is agricultural activities. The pesticides and insecticides, fertilizers, and etc., which are used in the agricultural purposes, are poisonous chemicals which cause atmosphere damage. These poisonous chemicals spread into the air, into the atmosphere, causing the air pollution. And another reason is radioactive materials. The radioactive rays coming out from the atomic reactors or nuclear explosions pollute the atmosphere, and the nucleus effluents are more hazardous to the living organisms. Hence, the atmosphere is being polluted, so air is being polluted. The another reason for the air pollution are wars. Many toxic chemicals are used during the war, released into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. We all know the example that in World War II, the atom bomb was attacked uh, in the places of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and we have all seen the destruction caused by the usage of atom bombs. The places which are attacked have gone through many difficult phases due to the pollution caused by the radioactive elements which are present in the atom bombs, and hence wars may also cause air pollution. The next reason for the air pollution is accidents in industries or the errors in industries. Sometimes the poisonous chemicals are released into the atmosphere due to the human errors which are done in the industries, or else they may be done due to the defective methods from the industries. Um, these accidents or the errors done by the human causes hazardous effects on the organisms. They release hazardous chemicals into the atmospheres. For example, let us take the example of Bhopal city, which has faced many difficulties due to the methyl isocyanate liberated from the Union Carbide factory on 3rd February 1980. Approximately 3,000 people are affected, and severely more than 50,000 people were affected due to this gas tragedy. The last reason for the air pollution is a natural reasons. We can look in these pictures like volcanic eruptions, forest fires, pollen grains of flowers, decay of vegetable matters, the dust and sandstorms, bacteria and the viruses. So the volcanic eruptions it takes place, which releases the poisonous gases like sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and chlorine gas, etc. The forest fires will also pollute the environment along with the air. The wood, when burnt, may cause the release of carbon monoxide into the atmosphere, which is hazardous to the air. The pollen grains of the flowers, when spread into the air, may also cause air pollution. And the decay of vegetable matter is also another natural reason for air pollution. And next, the dust and the sandstorms are also a major reason for natural reasons for air pollution. And the last one is the bacteria and viruses, etc., which are present in the air causes air pollution. Okay, now let us take a quick recap of what we have discussed in this topic. We have discussed about the causes of air pollution. They are the transportation services, industries, deforestation, agricultural activities, radioactive materials, wars, accidents in industries, natural reasons. In the transportation services, the when combustion of these fuels which we use in our vehicles causes uh, poisonous gases released into the atmosphere, which is causing the air pollution. The industries which release the pollutants like chlorofluorocarbons, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, along with the smoke. They may also contain dust, carbon, and metal particles, etc. Next, due to the deforestation, carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere and increase global warming. Hence, the air will get polluted. And further reasons are like agricultural activities, when pesticides and insecticides spread into the atmosphere will damage air, and radioactive materials, they cause air pollution by radioactive rays coming out from the atomic reactors. Next, wars. Many synthetic toxic chemicals were released into the atmosphere, causing air pollution. Accidents in these industries may cause hazardous effects on the organisms. The last reason is the natural reasons like volcanic eruptions, forest fires, pollen grains of flowers, decay of vegetable matter, dust and sandstorms, bacteria and viruses, etc. And thank you all.